Let me go with the problem number 11. Right, if 7 by 5 to the power of 3 multiplied with 7 by 5 to the power of x plus 2 is equal to 7 by 5, then x is equal to, right, that what we need to find out. Right, we know that when the base is same, that is a to the power of m into a to the power of n, which can be rewrite as a to the power of n plus n. Right, I will go with this. That is here 7 by 5 to the power of 3 multiplied with 7 by 5 multiplied with x plus 2, which is going to be 7 by 5 to the power of 8, which is nothing but, so base is same, right? So just check out here, 7 by 5 to the power of this 3 plus x plus 2, I can write here 7 by 5 to the power of 8. When the base is same, you can equate the power, that is 3 plus x plus 2 is equal to 8 r. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus x is equal to 8 r, x is equal to 8. So transfer this side, 8 minus 5, which is going to be 8 is equal to, x is equal to 3. Right, option A is the right one.